Hi, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and tonight I'm going to show you how to make the most tender and juicy Thanksgiving turkey that you will ever make. It's Monday night before Thanksgiving on Thursday, and I'm going to brine my turkey. I have a 20-pound turkey, and it's in the kitchen. I'll take y'all in there. But the first thing that I have done is I have filled this pot up with water, and I have put 1 cup of kosher salt. This, I got the Morton coarse kosher salt. I put that in the water, and I let it melt. All the salt melt, and so that's salt water there. I'm going to put this in my cooler in the kitchen. And in this cup, I have, in the bottom, I have just 2 or 3 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 or 3 tablespoons of garlic powder. I have, I don't know, 2 or 3 tablespoons of whole black peppercorns. I have 4 bay leaves, and I have, I don't know, a couple tablespoons of yellow mustard seed in there, and I think that's all that I put in here. Yes, and so I'm going to take y'all into the kitchen, and I'm going to show you. I've already gotten all the neck and the innards, the liver and all that stuff out, and which I throw that part away. I keep the neck. I'm going to make some turkey broth with the neck. So, but anyway, I've got the turkey ready to go, and I will bring you back in just a second. Okay, I'm back. All right, so the turkey is in my cooler. You can see this is a 20-pound turkey. I'm going to go on, because these bay leaves are probably 3 or 4 years old, I'm going to go on and use the rest of them in this brine and buy some new ones. But I'm going to go on now. I have put the turkey in here. I've put the salt water in here, and then I've added it up enough to almost cover it with cold water. And I'm going to go on and put all this brining mixture, because was it Alton Brown from Food Network? He was the one that showed me this about brining a turkey. It's called osmosis or something, and as it sits there, the water continuously is going through your turkey, and all that salt water is continuously going through your turkey, and it, oh my gosh, it just, my kids tell everybody about my turkey because they like it so much. All right, now I'm going to go on and put, look at this. I always put chicken broth in here too with this, just to, gotta get this. There you go. I probably could put some more peppercorns in here, but that'll be enough. All right, so let me get this. There it goes. I'm telling y'all, I have just lost all the strength in my hands. All right, so here goes the chicken broth. And it's Monday night, and it's 7 o'clock, so this will brine until, in here, until Thursday morning. And what I'll have to do is I'll have to keep going to the store and getting bags of ice. Like, I'm going to put what I have in here now in my ice thing. That's going to go in here. And then tomorrow, I'll get another bag of ice. Go to the store and get a bag of ice. And I'll just have to keep this cold in here the whole time. And so now I'm going to put the top on this and put something on it to make sure that well, I don't think the dog would get in here, but I'll put my cast iron skillet or whatever on here so that nothing can get in here. And then Thursday morning I'll get it out, rinse it off, and put it in my roaster and roast it, and we'll have the best turkey that there ever was. But I do want to show y'all, because you definitely need, if you haven't brined your turkey yet, if you've never done this, please give this a try and see if your family, I mean, my family would never ever want me to fix it any other way now. They've gotten so used to it that they absolutely love it like this. So alright, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, okay. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and you have a wonderful night. Talk to you later. Bye.